Back it up slowly, watch the stack on the left.
Okay, keep it coming.
The target quantity is approaching 500 kilograms. Flow rate looks stable on the asphalt line.
The graph is showing some fluctuation here at 250 degrees.
The agitator speed seems stable. It should even out.
The parameters meet the specifications.
Confirmed. Let's sign off on the batch record.
Connections are secure. Check the temperature readout.
350 and stable. Status released.
Okay, keep coming straight back. Easy on the brakes now. We're set up and ready for the transfer.
Check the temperature on the binder line. Holding steady at 350, looks good.
Enormous road rollers move onto the freshly placed rubberized asphalt and begin the controlled compaction process. The first...
Back it up, steady now. All right, keep it coming. All right, keep it coming steady. Watch the alignment on the right. Density is holding at 98.5%. Good, the thickness is consistent across the lane. We can approve this section. Keep that speed consistent, we're getting good density readings here. Copy that, watching the temperature gauge now. Make sure that edge is perfectly straight.
I'm clearing the loose aggregate now.
Check the runoff slope over there.
This section matches the plan perfectly. Confirmed. Let's move to the next segment. The readings at marker 12 look good.
We're stable across the board, just waiting on the final section.
The alignment data looks perfect across the section.
Agreed. The rubberized asphalt meets all specifications.
All right, clear the lane. Keep it moving, keep it moving. Truck coming through. The IRI numbers look excellent across all 3 lanes. Yes, well within the target range.
Let's finalize the report for the northern section.
Transferring the final data set now. Looks good.
Confirmed. The performance level is exactly as required.
Okay, drop the hammer, align the next post.
Setting the guardrail in place now.
Looks good, let's move to the next section.
The reflectivity readings are consistent across the entire stretch.
Confirmed. The retroflexion values look excellent, well above the minimum standard.